In this lesson, we're going to take a brief look at a few of the theme options that are available in Ceros. The theme allows you to make global changes to the look and feel of your experiences. Let's go ahead and click on the theme button in the top menu bar. As you can see, there are a few options to change the background color or image, the icon and text colors, enable touch screen swiping, page navigation arrows, and more. For this demo, we're going to simply place a dark gray color in the background which you will be able to see outside of the canvas. Please be aware that the theme background image will not work if the experience is embedded with the full height embed code, as pinned objects are only supported with standalone and scrolling embed code experiences. In the theme menu, you also can choose whether or not you want default left and right page navigation arrows on your experience. If you have a multi-page experience, standard navigation arrows will automatically be enabled with the default colors. If you'd rather create your own custom navigation, you can remove these arrows by unchecking Enable Arrows in this theme menu, or you can simply adjust the colors to match your experience. The rest of the settings in this menu are pretty self-explanatory, so feel free to experiment with different combinations to fit your needs. In the next video, we'll take a look at the experience, SEO, social, performance options, and more available within the settings menu.